Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey into the transformative world of artificial intelligence and its profound impact on the modern businesses. As technology continues to evolve at the rapid pace, it's crucial for businesses of all sizes to stay ahead of the curve and leverage the power of AI to drive growth, innovation, and success. In this comprehensive guide, we will be exploring 5 essential AI tools that are revolutionizing the way companies operate, innovate, and thrive in today's competitive landscape. From streamlining customers' interaction to unlocking valuable insights from data, these tools are reshaping the way businesses approach everything from marketing and customer service to decision making and automation. So get ready to discover the transformative power of AI as we explore these 5 essential tools that are reshaping the future of businesses. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out on your journey, this guide will provide you with the insights, strategies, and inspiration you need to thrive in today's digital age.
Before I get into it, if you're new to my channel, I am Hassan, graphic designer, video animator, and a freelancer. In this channel, I will be covering different ways on how to improve your design skills, learn new things, and make enough money with side hustles. So if you're interested in this, please hit subscribe to stay notified.
So guys, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of AI-powered business innovation. The first thing we have is the ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI. It uses natural language processing (NLP) to understand and respond to user queries in a conversational manner. It can be integrated into the websites, messaging platforms, and customer support systems. Its main features are that ChatGPT can handle a wide range of inquiries, provide 24/7 support, assist in lead generation, and even personalized responses based on the user interactions. The benefits are it streamlines customers' interactions, reduces response time, and improves customer satisfaction by providing instant support. The number 2 thing is IBM Watson Analytics. IBM Watson Analytics is a data analysis and visualization tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to uncover the insights from large data sets. It offers advanced analytics capabilities including predictive analytics, data discovery, and interactive dashboards. Businesses can use Watson Analytics to identify patterns, trends, and correlations in their data, enabling them to make data-driven decisions and gain a competitive edge. The third item we have is the Google Assistant. Google Assistant is a virtual assistant developed by Google, available on various devices such as smartphones, smart speakers, and smart displays. It can perform tasks like setting reminders, scheduling appointments, sending messages, and providing information based on voice commands. Google Assistant helps users manage their tasks more efficiently, organize their schedules, and access information hands-free. The fourth item we have is the Clarify. Clarify is an AI platform that specializes in image and video recognition. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze and interpret visual content. Clarify can identify objects, scenes, people, emotions, and more within the images and video with high accuracy. Businesses can use Clarify for tasks such as visual search, content moderation, brand monitoring, and custom image recognition applications. The fifth and the last item we have is the MailChimp. MailChimp is an AI-powered email marketing platform that helps businesses create, send, and analyze email campaigns. It offers features such as audience segmentation, personalized recommendations, A/B testing, and automated workflows. MailChimp enables businesses to reach their target audience effectively, increase engagement rates, and drive conversions through personalized email communication. And there you have it, folks. We have just scratched the surface of what AI can do for your business. If you found value in today's video, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. As always, thank you for tuning in, and remember, the future of business is bright with AI by your side. Until next time, bye.